Hello, baby AJ.
Hello, mommy.
What you doing?
Juice.
Ah, you drink juice. Why? Why you drink juice? Sit properly.
Thanks for us for buying.
No more biscuit?
Yeah. I'm finished.
Oh, you finish. Tummy full? What? What?
Thank you, mommy. Go out the bubble. I love you.
Look you too. Your hair. I cut your hair?
Yes.
I cut? Sure? Because you're coming school. Quickly. Oh, see? You not drink properly. Don't do that.
I will go waffle.
Huh? Ano? What?
The day is sleeping.
Sleeping what?
Can I give my CD and open the phone to get please?
No, you chippy because your eye's broken.
Why?
Your eye's broken. Enough sippy. Okay.
Where's Daddy?
Where daddy? Where daddy?
Where?
Oh, you know work. Where you asking? Why you asking where daddy?
Work.
Oh, work because?
Daddy now.
Ah, because bibili. Daddy work for money because bibili. Bibili what? Bibili what?
Daddy's here.
Hmm?
Daddy's here.
No more daddy.
But why?
Daddy's. Where daddy?
Work.
Oh.